Welcome back to the second part of my fire tutorial. This part will be mainly about compositing. So first thing we do is go to the scene button and click do composite, so that everything we change through the composite nodes will be applied to our final render. Now I change the interface. I select here the node editor. I select the composite nodes and select use nodes. Okay. First thing I do is press the right mouse button, click at output viewer. This is just another preview, like our final preview. But what we can do now is split that area above, select the UV image editor, and here we can select the viewer node we added. So this is a much better preview than here in the composite nodes. If you don't see any image here, click re-render this layer. Okay. Now we add some glow to our image. First thing we do is to add a filter called blur, which of course blurs the image. We connect the input with our render layer output and the output with our viewer node input. And now we increase the strength to be about 30, both X and Y values, and we choose the blur type Gauss. That's, you could say, not that blurry. Okay, and we don't want that to be our new image. We said we wanted to add some glow. This is some kind of glow, and we just have to add it to our original image. So we choose add color mix, and here we don't choose mix, we choose add. The second input is our blurred image, and the first input our original image. So we now connect the output, and our original image got brighter. Could show you the difference. There you go. Okay, next thing is to add some highlights. Therefore we add a converter color ramp, which delivers us the gray values. So we don't only want to have highlights, not the whole gray values, so we move that a bit. Okay, that should be great. And again we choose color mix, and we choose the original image to be our first input, the color ramp our second input, and we choose add to add this highlights. More, about 0.7. Yeah, there you see the difference. Okay, it's not much, but it's something. We should correct the colors a bit. We choose color RGB curves. Connect the image input and the image output. Now we want it to be more yellow, so we go to the green value and just move that curve. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, now what we do now is what makes the biggest difference. We displace the fire to get more structure. We select distort, displace, connect the input and the output. You don't see anything because you need a vector for the displacement. Therefore we select the vector map values. This map value node converts the color also into gray values, which we will use as our displacement vector. Now we increase the displacement x and y values about -25 each. And now you see what happens. The brighter points of the image will be displaced in the left bottom corner, in the direction of the left bottom corner. Now we just do that again. I hit Shift D to duplicate it. Connect the nodes. But now I choose the other direction, the right bottom direction. So I need a positive x value. Okay. Let's make the image a bit brighter. Again, we choose the RGB curves. But now we increase the overall color. That's good. And again, we add some highlights. I just duplicated the nodes. Okay, we want only highlights, not the whole gray values. That's it. Oh, it's getting nicer and nicer. Yeah, we decrease the value, maybe. Okay. Another possibility to change the color is the saturation values. I pressed add color, hue, saturation values. This changes the color. 0.52 to make it more yellow. 0.5 would change nothing, and we change the saturation, make it a bit more colorful. So that's it for this part of the tutorial. Next part will be about adding foreground, backgrounds, different layers, and maybe also already the ascending heat effect. See you there!